Still that hint of winter or early spring. Lots of temperatures below freezing as we head to Woodridge, 30 degrees there. Middletown at 25, Sussex in the 20s as well. We have Poughkeepsie at 26, Danbury, you're sitting at 33 degrees with Fairlawn down to 27. We're in the 20s in Wayne, but 41 in City Island and Midwood now at 39 degrees. So we've got the clear skies now, tons of sunshine ahead, but think layers because you'll want that heavier jacket this morning. But by 4 p.m. already pushing 60 degrees, more in line with what is average come April. And then by 10 o'clock, still dry, but partly cloudy and still into the 50s. So we're hanging on to some of that a little bit later on. All right, let's see what's happening right now because you are looking at some slowdowns out there, Adele.
Yeah, things are definitely starting to pick up as we inch close.
And it's going to be a beautiful afternoon. First full day of spring going to look and feel like it from Hempstead. A chilly start in the 30s. You'll be in the mid-50s by 4 o'clock, pushing 60 though in Yonkers. We've got another day with a run at 60, but it's coming along with a next chance for some rain. So we'll time that out heading into the weekend coming up in the 10-day. If you're home watching right now and planning for the day, hopefully it involves some amount of outdoor time today because I really do think today is probably the finest of the next few. And spring is springing as we see high pressure helping us out today, keeping skies clear. But things are changing by the end of the week. You see this boundary. This is going to focus some of those showers in our area as early as Thursday, likely on Friday. And then it's that area of low pressure. This is going to make it a mess for Saturday. A coastal low develops and everything that goes along with it. That cold east wind, the steadier rainfall, and of course pretty much all day on Saturday. And on the northern side, even some potential snow in parts of the Northeast and New England. So as we break down what that does to the temperature, we're looking at sort of that mild day, last of it, before that system rolls in. On Thursday, back up into the 60s. We do hang out in the 40s on Saturday, but it is back to the 50s heading into next week. But it's also back to this sort of in and out of some rain chances. So again, today really going to be the loveliest of the next few. 42 now at Central Park. The winds are generally on the light side. The air is bone dry, so we are looking at clear skies right now and the rest of the day today. 42 by 9 a.m. will push the 50s by lunchtime. If you were out yesterday, you enjoyed the sunshine, but still a breeze, and in the shady spots, it was still pretty cool. Today, though, we're going to do about 10 degrees warmer. 60 degrees for the high at Central Park. We'll see even the mid-50s after the sun goes down. So we're looking at clouds kind of hanging, keeping those temperatures hanging around a little bit more on the warmer side compared to this morning. So tomorrow in the 30s and 40s for lows with partly cloudy skies. And while we stay dry, we'll see more clouds and still manage about 58 degrees for the high in the city. 50s from the city. There's so many places to enjoy blooming trees and cherry blossoms specifically, just naming a few. But what's interesting too is Queens, by the way, the borough with the most trees in general, not just cherry trees, but the most treed borough. But you can see from Central Park, and interestingly enough, the designer of Central Park, his son designed Branch Brook Park. So you definitely have that feel of just beauty everywhere. But yeah, more trees, more cherry trees than D.C., more than 5,200. And their festival, Branch Brook Park, begins in April 1st. And again, worth it. Definitely check it out. You need the temperatures, of course, to warm up in order to get those blooms going. And we're starting to see that. We have temperatures in the 60s today and again on Thursday before we see a little bit of a halt there with temperatures back into the 40s by the weekend. That's our next big storm system to watch. It's going to draw in some of that cooler air. In the meantime, though, today, what a first day of spring. High pressure, warmer temperatures, all of that sunshine. It does go away. We get the clouds back, more of the clouds for tomorrow. And then by Thursday and Friday, showers are back. And it really is by Friday into Saturday that we're watching this big system. You know, this is a time of year we can get everything and anything from thunderstorms to snow. This one definitely going to bring the rain and the chill and even some interior Northeast snow. So that's the one to watch for sure. All right, it's 41 degrees out there now. Nothing to watch on the radar, just that pretty pink glow of the first day of spring on the Governor Mario M. Cuomo Bridge. We have temperatures climbing warmer than we were all day yesterday by lunchtime. So enjoy that. And then by 4 o'clock, we'll be about 60 degrees. And with more clouds this evening, temperatures holding into the 50s. We'll see 41 by tonight and 58 degrees tomorrow. But we do stay dry, rain free. That's as it